Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my another vlog. It's the morning and I just woke up sometime back and actually aaj ka din is quite slow for me because I'm on off and you can see I am super lazy today. So I thought why not let's vlog because I want to make it more productive and documented. Today I'm thinking to go to my mom's place, which is like 40 minutes away from where I'm staying. So it's like a little far and considering the traffic. So that's the plan for the day and I'm gonna spend some good time with my mom, with my family. You can see abhi tak maine kuch nahi kara. So I'm gonna get ready very soon and then I'm gonna leave. Abhi it's like 9:30 in the morning and I'm planning to leave by 11:30. So I have like couple of hours with me. Also guys, my travel vlog is up. If you haven't checked my latest travel vlog to Mukteshwar, go check it out. I think it's super fun and I think you all will love it. So you can check that out. I will link that in my description box below guys. Before I actually get ready, I'm gonna show you some interesting products that I got my hands on recently and they're so amazing. So this is a regular vlog but also a kind of like mini hauls because I'm gonna show you some interesting chote products. You know how much I love wearing t-shirts and I'm obsessed with them because I think they're super comfortable and I can carry this almost everywhere. So it's like wherever I go, I end up buying like 2-3 t-shirts for some reason. So I recently came across this brand which is called Snuff 24 and I've got like 3 tie and dye t-shirts from them. I was looking for some basic tie and dye, some pastel colors, and I think these are so appropriate. I just love them. Colors are so like summery and so pastel. If you want to get hands on some basic t-shirts, round neck t-shirts, I think this brand is super affordable. I'm thinking to wear like one of them if I want to like be all comfortable. So I think I might wear the blue one, but I'm really like excited to see what I'm gonna wear because I have ordered this in the size small and I wanted like not so oversized. I just wanted it to be a little loose. The size seems like perfect to me because this is small and I think it's gonna like fit me from the shoulders very nicely and I think a perfect size. I feel like wearing pink, right? I'm gonna add a clip of me wearing all of these t-shirts so you get some sense on how it fits me. Now I'm gonna go and get ready for the day. Before that I was thinking to eat something, so I'm gonna make this very quick salad for myself. Now it's not a very typical salad with lots of vegetables, but it's like a corn salad. So come with me, I will show you how I make it. Chalo guys, salad banate hain. First thing first guys, I am boiling my corns. You can even steam it, but I feel that boiling is much easier, so I do that and then I'm gonna just chop all the vegetables. Now I'm adding these corns to a bowl. I am using these corns from this brand called Farm Fresh. So guys, इनके ना जो corns होते हैं, they are very juicy and that's why I use this. These are my veggies, paneer, onions and tomatoes. They are finely chopped guys. You can see how small they are. I have added all my veggies to my bowl, like जिसमें मैंने corns डाले थे. Now for the masala guys, I am adding just the salt and pepper. That's it. I have mixed this really nicely and अब ये अच्छे से mix हो गया, so it's ready. It's ready to eat guys. This is how my salad looks like guys. It seems really healthy. Like इसको खाकर I don't feel that I'm feeling too heavy or something. Even after having this, I feel so light. इसलिए मैं थोड़ा prefer करती हूँ कि मैं lunch में कुछ ऐसा ही खाऊँ. Or sometimes I also have like roti and sabzi, but then I like this. If you haven't tried this guys, do try it out. Like vegetables अपनी choice से कुछ भी डाल सकते हो. You can even add like spices to it. But I think जो corn और पनीर का जो taste एक साथ आता है, I think that's brilliant. Before I actually get ready guys, I just want to clean my upper lip because I think I have a little bit of like hair there. So for that I use this very interesting product. This is from Touch Beauty and I got this from Nykaa. It's a very nice trimmer. It has perfect round blade to erase all your baby hair that you get like on your upper lips. I sometimes use it for my forehead also, but mostly I use it for upper lip and it just cleans in like seconds. It's a battery operated, so you can just put the cells and then it's just like this and I'm gonna clean. Like let me just quickly see in the mirror guys. Move it all over. And that's it. And once you're done with this, all you need to do is like just open it here and then you can clean all your hair that are removed. I'm gonna clean this like later now because I'm getting late. Next I want to show you are the products from this brand called Dermaco. Guys, मैंने पहले भी इस brand के बारे में काफ़ी बात करी है because I think it's a very nice brand and I'm currently obsessing over this brand because I think they have some amazing and they have some really nice products, I would say, and I've also recommended to more of my friends as well around me. For a shower I always use this body wash and this soap, so this is like a perfect combination that I use. I've been using them from like months now and I think they suit my body a lot because they both have like salicylic acid in it. As far as I know about this body wash, it just helps sweep off your dead cells from your body and it also helps to restrict breakouts. I think it's a perfect option to add in your bathing routine because it will definitely add some difference to your skin. The soap, I feel it comes with this packaging, so it has like 2 soaps and they last really long, so काफी चल जाएंगे. So I keep a stock of it so that I'm not like running out of it all the time. Soap also has like salicylic acid in it and tea tree and charcoal, which all 3 are a perfect combination for your skin. This soap I feel help in, you know, reducing your pores because I have a little bit like open pores in this area, and I think whenever I wash my face with this soap, it just works and it just smoothens my skin out. If you want to get your hands on this, you can definitely check that out. Also, these products are very easily available on Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, also the Dermaco website, and in case you purchase like from the Dermaco website, you can avail my coupon code, guys. You will get 20% off on your next purchase, and I think everyone loves discount. Both the products are super for your acne prone skin. They will help them reduce it for sure. They will also help in cleansing and exfoliating your skin entirely, so it's a great choice. Bag, guys, I am carrying a very pretty bag, which is this. Look at the print, guys. It's so pretty and I just fell in love with the print that it has. It's so beautiful, guys. I have got this from the brand called Zook. It's an Instagram store and I just fell in love with their collection. They claim that they sell some vegan bags. Name of this bag is Mughal Motif handbag. It's so sturdy, like the quality of the bag is so high end. I just loved it. The best part that it's super spacious, like the compartments. It has a one main zip here, which is like this, and it has like super big compartments. It's like quite comprehensive and quite big, and I think I can put in like a lot of stuff of mine. It also has a long belt if you want to like carry it like the sling way, but I like to carry this like this because I just feel like, you know, wearing it like a handbag only because I feel that it looks more stylish. You can check their page. They sell some amazing bags, and in that you will also see some bags that are like more of office wear, laptop bags, and kind of handbags like these. So there are a lot of options in terms of the prints because I think I love this print, and you know, the subtle print is going on. Can be easily used as a travel bag, or you can carry it to your work, office, or maybe like a just regular handbag if you're going out somewhere. I'm gonna carry this with the Indian wear and it's gonna look bomb, so I can't wait to style it. If you feel like purchasing this bag, you can use my coupon code to get 15% off on your purchase. I will link that in my description box and on my screen as well in case you want to get your hands on it. I think it's a great option you can have, guys. Finally, guys, I'm ready. You can see I'm wearing this t-shirt, and trust me, it has a very nice and very soft kind of material. You know, like I love pink. I love wearing like pink colors and like pastel colors. So this is like a perfect t-shirt for me. And now I am planning to leave. Finally, I'm all ready. I'm all set. And अब निकलते हैं because already बहुत late है. So वरना मेरी मम्मी से मुझे डांट पड़ जाएगी कि हमेशा तू लेट करती है. So I don't want to do that. इसलिए she is also super excited because हमेशा वो इतनी excited हो जाती है when I tell her like I'm coming. And now I have to spend my entire day with her. So let's see how the day will go. Finally in my car, guys. Now I'm going and I'll see you at my home. Bye. You get so irritated at the end. Expecting like a little less traffic during the day, but see. Hello. कैसे हो? I am with my mom. She gets so excited. मैं पहुंच गई हूँ, guys, and now we're gonna sit and talk a lot because हम यही करते हैं जब हम घर आते हैं तो हम सारे बस बैठ के सिर्फ बातें करते रहते हैं. So that's the plan for the day. Now she is cooking something exciting for me. Now let's see कि क्या बन रहा है. Mama, क्या बना रहे हो?
पनीर कुलचा।
Guys, मेरे को अच्छा लगता है गाइस, इसलिए मम्मी ये बना रही है घर पर. So she got the kulchas, like these are the kulchas, and इसके साथ we have chole also, and we have paneer in making. मम्मा खाना बहुत अच्छा बनाती है गाइस, and I love her food. Like जो भी बनाती है ना मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And कैसे सीखा है आपने?
मेरे से अपने आप से।
अच्छा, अपने आप से कैसे सीखी? मम्मी ने सीखा होगा अपने अपनी.
यस, अपनी मम्मा से।
But I think it's fun. Hey guys, finally I'm back home. Like मैं मम्मा के घर पे थी and then I couldn't vlog the entire day what we did. But हम लोग बैठे, हम लोगों ने काफ़ी बातें करी and then I came home. Like I've changed into my comfortable outfit now. And now I'm gonna just wash my face and थोड़ा सा मैं skin care करूँगी. Skin care मैं ज़्यादा नहीं करती हूँ. But then yes, अगर मेरे पास थोड़ा सा time होता है then I try doing some basic skin care. Otherwise I just wash my face and cleanse my face and sleep. That's it for today and this was it about today's vlog. I hope you all like it and I hope you have like fun watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll be really grateful for that. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.